This is Debbie and Mia, and it is Saturday morning, and this is Jumpers. Mia didn't have a good day yesterday, so today she's going to be awesome. Debbie seems to be a little conservative here. Got the right end of the tunnel. Now let's get those weak calls. Nice job, nice job, nice job, nice job. Nice job. A little bit dark, I can't see it. 3-8, 8-6.